Bore da, croeso I gwasanaeth yr wythnos. Good morning and welcome to this week's assembly. This half term, our value is equality because we believe that everybody should be treated fairly and the same. We all have lots of things that make us the same in many ways, but we're also very different as well. Hi everybody, we're talking about equality again this week and how everybody should be treated equally and how important that is in our school and also outside of school. And in today's story we've got two children who have many things the same but also lots of differences as well, which make them unique and really special. This week our story is We All Belong, and we join two friends as they explore how they are the same in some ways but different in others. And if you look closely, you'll soon see no one looks the same as you and me. If you look closely, you'll soon see no one looks the same as me. I have lovely, dark, curly hair. And my hair is straight, long, and very fair. I am tall, I am small. We both love to play football. I like to be loud. I'm sometimes shy. Who is smart? You and I. Everyone is different in one way or another. I even look different to my sister and my brother. Some might say we're a different race. We think that's completely ace. What is our race? Is it the colour of our skin? It means we share one kind of thing. Sharing what? Sharing looks. Sharing things in history books. We're the same in some ways too. We like dancing. We like blue. We both like red. We both are kind. We both like reading to relax and unwind. My eyes are brown. My eyes are blue. When we come together, there's nothing we can't do. It would be boring if we all looked the same, if we ate the same food, if we had the same names. My family and I eat rice and peas. That sounds nice. Can I try that, please? My family sings precious songs. My family wears nice sarongs. In our school, we all belong. Together, we all get along. I love my language and the way I speak. I love my home. I love my street. Where I live, the animals squawk. Near my home, we go for walks. Not one of us is out of place. We all belong to the human race. This is quite a nice activity to do with one of your friends. You could draw yourself and your friend and make a list of what ways you are the same and what ways you are different. Once you've finished, you can look at your drawings and your lists and you will find that you are both amazing in the same and different ways. The children in the story looked at 8 things that made them the same but also different. They looked at hair, height, personality, whether they were loud or quiet, how they looked, their skin colour, their likes and dislikes, things like their hobbies. They looked at their families and also what languages they spoke. I reckon you can do an even bigger list than the children in the story. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Have a lovely Monday, everybody.